Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the rear brake pads on this Nissan Qashqai. This particular model is 2017 and you can clearly see that the pads are completely worn out. And on this particular Nissan Qashqai, it's got the electric handbrake as well. So we're going to show you how to rewind the handbrake motor without the diagnostic tool. So we're gonna open this bolt here and this one here at the bottom, two 13mm bolts to remove. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lock the pin. Here we go. That's the top bolt released. Now we're going to do the bottom one. So just going to lock the caliper pin like this, and then there we go. Okay, that's the caliper out of the way. So the next bit we need to do is to disconnect this handbrake motor. There you go, nice and easy. So the next bit we need to do is to disengage the handbrake motor itself, and for that we are using T30 to undo two bolts, one here and one there. So just going to do that now. Once you remove this motor, it becomes very easy to push the piston back. So that's one TX30 bolt out of the way. Then we're gonna remove this one here. There we go friends, that's the second TX30 out of the way. And then we're gonna pull the handbrake motor out. That's the handbrake motor out of the way. So before you push the piston back, you make sure that you wind this bolt here, and once you wind it back from here, then you can push the piston back easily. So the next bit we need to do is to push the piston back, and for that we're using disc number 6. There you go. Simple forward procedure. So we're gonna push the piston back all the way like that. So once you take the motor off, the piston is fairly easy to push. There we go. So you're gonna push it all the way back. When you are pushing the piston back, make sure that the brake reservoir cap is off in the engine compartment, so that the pressure can be released. There we go. That's the piston all the way back. Okay, so next bit is to remove the pads. There you go. One outer one. That's the inner one out of the way. Okay, we got the pads here. We got it from our local shop for £18. Before we slide in the new pads, just gonna apply a little bit grease on the edges, on the guide arms. Okay, so that's how they're gonna slide in. There we go. That's the. So now we're gonna slide in the top. There we go. There we go. There we go. That's the outer pad in place. Okay, so we're just gonna do the inner. We're gonna repeat the procedure again. So before we put it in, just gonna apply a little grease on the top, both sides. Make sure you don't touch the pad itself with the greasy hands. Right, so the way it goes in is this way. Right, there we go. That's the inner and outer pad fitted. So the next way is to remove these pins. We're just gonna re-grease them, both of them. There we go. The bottom one. That's that done. Okay friends, the next bit is to connect the motor back, the handbrake motor. So the way it goes in is like that. Just wiggle it a bit, line it up. There we go. One here. Just gonna tighten it. Okay, one at the bottom, just here. Okay, so the caliper goes in like this. Two bolts to secure it. One here. Okay. One at the bottom. Alright, so we're just gonna secure the caliper bolts. It's a 13mm socket to tighten it, and we're gonna use a 17mm spanner to lock the pin in place. There we go. That's that, nicely secured. Just gonna do the top one now. There we go. That's the top bolt secured. Right, so the next bit is to connect the handbrake harness connector, just here. Okay, you see this movement here? That's normal. So what's going to happen is once we engage the handbrake, okay, so that's going to get sorted. That's not a problem. There we go. Just going to put the handbrake on. There we go. The piston is coming forward. Perfect. So we're just going to release the handbrake now. There we go. There we go, friends. That's that sorted. That's the new brake pads fitted in no time. on this Nissan Qashqai 2017 model with electronic handbrake. Thank you very much for watching the video.